So recently in this month, the book that I decided to be reading is called Turning Your Passions into Profit by Christopher Howell. And I've been learning a lot of things that have been mind blowing and really motivational and then transformational. And along the line, I'll be sharing some of them with you so you also learn some of the things I've been learning. And so one of the things that really caught my attention, as usual, it's even at that's why I'm still at page 27 of the book. Okay, and then the introduction was so powerful, and it says something very important. It talks about the reticulating activating system. Okay, so this is located at the base of your brain. Okay, so now what this does, it does a number of functions, but one of the important function it does called filtering. Okay, so filtering is simply the process of what you become conscious of and what stays behind, or what you become unconscious of. Okay, so it bridges that gap there. Now, what that simply means, just like a newspaper, it determines what comes at the front line, okay, of a newspaper, the editorial, or what goes to page 30, or what even doesn't even make it to publishing. So your reticular activating system is responsible for this. But now, what is the benefit of this? So if you listen to a lot of motivational speaking, you listen to a lot of people out there, they tell you to always write your goals down, write your objectives down. Why are they asking you to do this? Most of the time we say, I already have it in my brain. Yeah, I want to be a doctor, I want to be this, I want to own my business. It's all inside my head. But there is something unique and something powerful about writing your things down. Okay, so now what happens is that when you write your goals down, you have a pen and paper and you write it down, what you're simply doing is that you're sending signals to your brain that, hey, RAS, okay, reticular activating system, please, as I'm writing these goals down, as I'm writing this objective down, please be looking for opportunities and informations that I can use, information rather, that I can use to achieve the goals that I've written down. Okay, you see that? So the moment you write your goals down, you're sending visual signals from your eye to your brain. Okay, your brain knows now, your eye says that, okay, you want to be a doctor, you want to be this, you want to be that, you want to be a singer. You send that information to your brain sends it to the reticular activating system. Okay, say now this is what I'm going to do. I'm now going to be focusing and filtering, as I said before. So it will start looking for informations that go align with what you want. So that is why it's very important. So a lot of times people don't know what they want. That is why they're so frustrated and they live any kind of life. But once you know what you want, your perspective of your view or your viewpoint changes completely. Okay, what that means is that you start seeing things that align with what you want. Okay, so before, if you had no interest in, let's say, baby shower, but the moment you get pregnant, okay, as you walk in the street, automatically you start pinpointing baby shops, baby shop. It's all psychological that is happening because now you're focused on that. That's the power of focus. So it's so powerful and it's a lot and it's very beautiful. But I'll be sharing all of these things that you can learn from it. It's really wonderful. I just want you to keep loving yourself. Okay, so as Les Brown writer said, life is like an onion. You have to peel it layer by layer, and sometimes you cry. Okay, and then I don't want you to lose hope. I don't want you to lose confidence. You're still loved by God, even though people around there may say you're worthless, you're nothing, you're shameless, you haven't done anything with your life. I want you to have a change of perspective. Don't let the words of people determine your life. You are so powerful. So is the words of people that you're allowed to influence your mind. Okay, whatever. Don't let people's their words have an effect on your mind. Let them say whatever they say, but keep your mind straight. Keep a positive mind. So know your surrounding, know your association. Don't let people always say negative things to your life. It affects you. It affects your viewpoint. Okay. So I'm gonna cut the video here because it's so beautiful, and if I start talking now, I'm gonna spend the ages just talking on the power of the mind and all of this. So I hope you love this video. Please feel free to like the video, and you can share. Please share the video. I'm really interested in that, so a lot of people can learn. I want this video to go out there so people can know more about their brains and develop themselves, because there are thousands of people out there living lives just anyhow, not knowing so much inside this, hidden inside this call. Okay, and don't forget to like. Okay, it helps me out, so it tells the YouTube algorithm that, okay, this video is good, and then it shares it out to, it recommends it to other people out there. So So do things I'm asking it to do for me, please. And so till we meet again, please stay positively minded. Surround yourself. Listen to a lot of motivational speakers. Go out there, teach, help, serve, and write your goals down. Work towards achieving them. Till we meet again. Bye.